A mechanical keyboard is a type of keyboard that uses individual mechanical switches for each key, providing a distinct tactile feedback and audible click with each keystroke. These switches typically consist of a housing, a spring, and a metal contact, which together offer various actuation forces and responses, tailored to user preferences. The importance of mechanical keyboards lies in their durability, with switches often rated for tens of millions of key presses, their customizable keycaps and switches, and their ergonomic benefits, as they can reduce typing fatigue and enhance typing speed and accuracy. This makes them a favored choice among gamers, writers, and professionals who value precision and a satisfying typing experience. In today's video, we will show you the top 5 best mechanical keyboard. So, let's get started. Starting of our list at number 5, Redragon K668. This keyboard is a versatile tool for any setup, offering hot-swappable compatibility with nearly all switch types on the market, whether 3-pin or 5-pin. It features quiet linear mechanical switches with soft key travel, ensuring every click is effortlessly registered. With 3.5mm sound-absorbing foam, it delivers a crisp typing sound without any unpleasant noise. The 104-key anti-ghosting design allows multiple keys to be pressed simultaneously, complemented by 4 additional shortcut keys for extra convenience. You can choose from up to 19 preset backlighting modes, with adjustable brightness and speed, and the new music sync mode creates an immersive light show. The 2-stage adjustable feet offer a comfortable typing angle, while the mixed color keycaps provide a customizable experience. Plus, with the available software, you can create your own lighting effects and macros for an enhanced gaming and work experience. Here is the item number 4, AULA F99. The AULA F99 wireless mechanical keyboard offers versatile connectivity with 3 modes: Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB wired. It can connect to up to 5 devices simultaneously, making it perfect for work, gaming, or study, with seamless switching using simple key combinations. This premium keyboard features hot-swappable switches, customizable keycaps, and preloop linear switches for smooth, responsive typing. The F99's 16 RGB lighting effects, full key macro customization, and N-key rollover enhance the gaming experience. Its advanced gasket structure and 5-layer silencing design provide a softer, more stable typing feel with reduced noise, making it a top choice for both work and play. The item number 3, AULA F2088. Introducing the ultimate mechanical gaming keyboard designed for both gaming enthusiasts and office professionals. Featuring mechanical blue switches, this keyboard delivers a quick, springy response with precise tactile feedback and a satisfying click sound, ensuring top-tier gaming performance. The vintage steampunk round keycaps, crafted using double-shot injection molding, offer clear backlighting and exceptional durability. Its ergonomic design includes a stepped floating keycap that fits your fingertips perfectly, reducing fatigue and minimizing typing errors. With dedicated media control keys and quick access buttons, you can effortlessly manage media, adjust backlight effects, and even customize 3 different lighting profiles. The top-grade aluminum alloy panel with a matte finish texture adds durability and style, while the ergonomic ABS palm rest provides comfortable wrist support. Equipped with anti-ghosting technology and an independent switch for each key, this keyboard ensures every keystroke is registered accurately, enhancing your gaming and typing experience. Number 2 on our list, Redragon Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Introducing the K671 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, your ultimate companion for both work and play. With 11 unique backlight modes, you can set the perfect ambience for any mood, whether you're tackling late-night tasks or diving into immersive gaming sessions. The customizable light speed and brightness levels ensure a comfortable experience, day or night. Featuring red switches, this keyboard offers smooth, responsive typing that's ideal for RPGs and MMOs. Plus, with macro editing capabilities, you can remap keys, set shortcuts, and combine functions for maximum efficiency. The durable double-injection ABS keycaps guarantee clear backlighting and precise typing. Complete with 12 multimedia shortcuts and the ability to customize LED effects via software, the K671 takes your gaming and productivity to the next level. And as a bonus, you'll receive 4 spare switches and 2 red keycaps to personalize your keyboard even further. The top one in our list, RisoPhy Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Introducing the RisoPhy PC Keyboard, a top choice for gamers and typists alike. Featuring clicky blue switches, this keyboard delivers exceptional accuracy and a satisfying click sound with every keystroke. Its deeper key travel and ample spacing between keys provide unparalleled comfort and feedback. With 9 customizable backlight colors and 5 levels of light speed and brightness, you can enhance your gaming experience and set the mood even in the dark. The ultra-durable double-injection ABS keycaps ensure clear, uniform backlighting and make typing at night a breeze. Plus, with pluggable keycaps, a win-lock function, and built-in hydrophobic holes to drain away accidental spills, this keyboard is both practical and resilient. Designed with ergonomic stare-up keycaps and adjustable rear kickstands, it promotes a natural hand position and reduces fatigue during long sessions. And with its non-slip rubber padding, this keyboard stays firmly in place, no matter how intense your gaming gets. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best mechanical keyboard amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like. Comment your valuable opinion and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.